This is the problem I want to show with the richbit fat bike. As you can see, the normal rotation without the electric motor is going fine. Then I switch on the motor, use the throttle, and then you hear the noise which is coming from the motor. As well with the throttle, as well with the pedal assist. I'll do it again. So the throttle and the pedal assist works fine. The sound which you hear comes from somewhere within here in the motor. I don't want to open it. I'm not a technical person to do that. So what will be your advice? There's nothing special I can see on it. You may want to have a look. I'll take the camera. There's a little bit of grease over here. I took it away already, some, but nothing special to see.